Hello, plant enthusiasts. As winter blankets the world, let's explore the resilient green companions that thrive in the cold embrace. These 8 indoor plants not only survive, but flourish, adding a touch of nature's warmth to your winter abode. The jade plant is a resilient succulent known for its vibrant green leaves and symbolic association with prosperity. Thriving in winter, it stores water in its thick leaves, making it an adaptable and low-maintenance choice for cold indoor environments. The snake plant is a hardy indoor plant recognized for its upright, sword-like leaves. Thriving in winter, it's virtually indestructible, requiring minimal light and water. Its air-purifying abilities and architectural appeal make it a perfect winter companion. The ZZ plant is a robust houseplant with glossy, dark green leaves. Thriving in winter, it's drought-tolerant and resilient to low light. Its unique appearance and air-purifying qualities make it an ideal winter companion for indoor spaces. The spider plant is an adaptable houseplant recognized for its arching, spider-like foliage. Flourishing in winter, it's resilient to low light and easy to care for. Its air-purifying nature and cascading offshoots make it a winter-friendly favorite. The Christmas cactus is a festive succulent that blooms in winter, adorned with vibrant flowers. Thriving during the season, it prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Its stunning floral display adds a touch of holiday cheer to winter interiors. The philodendron, a versatile houseplant, boasts an array of varieties, such as heartleaf and pothos. Adaptable and thriving in winter, these green beauties endure lower light conditions. Their unique leaf shapes and air-purifying qualities make them winter-ready favorites for indoor spaces. Aloe vera, renowned for its medicinal properties, is a succulent with fleshy leaves containing a soothing gel. Thriving in winter, it prefers bright, indirect light and requires minimal water. Its hardy nature and healing attributes make it a winter wellness companion. The fiddle leaf fig is a popular indoor tree with large violin-shaped leaves. Flourishing in winter, it prefers bright, indirect light. Its striking foliage and elegant presence make it a coveted winter-friendly addition to interiors. And there you have it, folks. 8 winter warriors to bring nature's vitality into your indoor space. If you enjoyed this green journey, don't forget to subscribe for more plant-filled insights. Happy planting!